Ma'am Karen, ako po ay isang Pilipino.
When we match the two fingerprints impression of these people, no, two persons, we found out that the impression were affixed by one and the same person.
Hindi po ako nagsisinungaling.
You know, dactyloscopy is an infallible science of identification. Hindi nagkakamali. No? At conclusive ito sa court, sa lahat. Basta't fingerprint ang pinag-usapan, kung ano man ang findings ng aming dactyloscopy expert ay conclusive. Kasi no two person have the same fingerprints, even twins. No? Even twins. Wala, hindi pa pwedeng magkapareho ang kanilang fingerprint.
之地，向友好城市运城人民拜年了，新年快乐，万事如意。